Some night ride footage from a loop round from Edmondbyers over Bolts Law with Dr. Joe and Craig in November. It was a seriously cold night, very wet under wheel.
Oh, my face is cold.
Yep, that says it all. Didn't get very much footage from the initial outward section. This is just on the last bit of the climb up towards the top of Bolts Law before the long descent. We're over the top now and picking up some speed down the far side. This is Dr. Joe in front. Here one of the grouse there that had a go at attacking Craig, flew into his helmet. It was seriously cold feet. Nope, there's a hiccup there I think. Struggled with the lens getting covered in water. Unsurprisingly when you consider how much is about.
Gotta go. Alright.
It's good that Joe's keeping up morale.
I got flat on a lump of mud on my face. Bloody cool. Oh. Okay, that was fun. Yeah. I would have to agree with you, Joseph. Yeah, I've got no question.
I think it was just below freezing when we set off from the vehicles from Edmondbyers. The temperature was dropping a bit as we headed round. And when reviewing the footage you realise how many gates there are, and also the fact that Craig can't resist a wheelie. And of course we went too far on the road, so this is us coming back again to take the correct turn off. I've been trying to conserve battery life because it went down to red, indicating 40% or so fairly rapidly, just given the cold temperature.
I'm going to just put some more in the back.
And Joe was having problems with his rear shock, which kept losing pressure.
No, man, I've gone on holiday.
And some of the bits of it are quick draining, as you can see here, but we encountered so many puddles that you just couldn't avoid. It was definitely sub-zero by this point. I think it was -2 or -3 by the time we got back to the vehicles. Oh dear.
Not quite.
All of this footage is from the long descent from top of Bolts Law back down into Edmondbyers eventually. started getting cold just watching this.
Yeah! Yeah, no. You should get that chapel next left.
Minor navigation blunderette, but we're soon back on the right track. Into the final fast flowing descendy bit. Everyone's lights were struggling, batteries were fading quickly. As you can see, my front light is telling me it's about to shut off. This is just dropping back down past Edmondbyers, lenses covered in water. Final quick descent back into the van, where I've left the heater on just to keep Truda nice and warm. So she's quite pleased to
Hello,
see
Snaggle.
us. And then that's it. Another fine night ride over. And we were reasonably soon thawed out and on the way home.